Understanding Level Out, a comprehensive guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we have an interesting phrase to discuss, level out. Whether you've heard it in a conversation or come across it in a book, this phrase can be a bit tricky to understand. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it in different contexts. So, let's dive right in. Level out is a phrasal verb, which means it's a verb followed by a preposition or an adverb that changes or enhances its meaning. In this case, we have the verb level combined with the adverb out. Level means to make something flat or even. Out here implies a sense of completion or stability. So, when we put them together in level out, we're talking about a process reaching a stable or steady state after a period of change or volatility. 2.1 in aviation. In aviation, level out is used when an aircraft stabilizes its altitude after climbing or descending. The plane climbed sharply after takeoff but soon started to level out. 2.2 in economics. In economics, it can refer to prices, rates, or trends stabilizing after a period of fluctuation. After months of rapid inflation, the economy is finally starting to level out. 2.3 in personal growth or learning. Level out can also be used more metaphorically to talk about emotions, progress in learning, or personal growth. After the initial excitement of starting a new job, her enthusiasm leveled out a bit. It's important not to confuse level out with just level. Without out, the meaning changes significantly. For example, we need to level the ground before building. Here, level means to make the ground flat, not to reach a stable state. And there we have it, folks. We've covered the meaning of level out and looked at how it can be used in different contexts. Remember, understanding phrasal verbs is a fantastic way to enrich your vocabulary and make your English sound more natural. We hope this video has helped clarify this phrase for you. If you have any questions or need further examples, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.